all, are you thinking of renting and living in Fiji and living the paradise lifestyle? Then don't look any further than the island of fantasy. Today I am here and I have got 2 units available for rent, and I'll take you through now. So we have got 1 by 2 bedroom, which is fully furnished, has a master bedroom as well, and a standard convenience room. And then we also have a 3 bedroom which is available at the same premises for rent as well, which is 1 master bedroom and the other one is a standard convenience room. So let's go and have a look. The property comes fully furnished, and there is parking space outside and also covered parking space at the property as well. This property has got a nice outdoor living area, so let's go and have a look. We will be going into the first unit, which is a 2 bedroom. Look at all these nice green gardens, and you have a nice outdoor area as well. So here it is, 2 bedroom, very modern, fully furnished with microwave. We do have a dishwasher, cooking hob, fridge, freezer. So let's go have a look. And one of the bedrooms in the 2 bedroom unit, standard bedrooms, but very nicely done. This is the master bedroom over here. So very breezy, you can see, and it attracts lots of natural light as well. Nice outdoor view. So that's your 2 bedroom, and it's available now at Fantasy for rent. So give me a call on +679 8636 315 to arrange a suitable time for viewing, and you know, we can secure this for you immediately. If you are thinking of coming out and staying in a close quiet environment, I think this would be the place for you. Let me take you to the outdoor area. We do have a nice sitting outdoor area over here with a nice lap pool as well. Outdoor shower. Look at that, how peaceful and beautiful is that. And you were at Fantasy, that means you are just walking distance away from a private beach, and there are canal properties. This property is not a canal property, but it does offer you some really nice views, and literally less than 5 minutes walking distance to the beach. Property is fully fenced for added security, and it's fully furnished as well. So hey, you know what, this is a golden opportunity to be able to enjoy this paradise. Give me a call and let's view this. Thank you.